What's up YouTube? How is everybody doing today? Hope everybody is doing wonderful. If you're seeing this video, you're blessed, you're truly blessed. So alright, so today we're there on car show. So it's an exotic car show. So I'm gonna take you guys on a tour. This is something that I really like. So it's just that too, I have this video thing now. I just decided, so you know what, I'm gonna take y'all along with me. So come on, let's go. So this is the lady that owns this car right here. You had it for a while, right?
Actually, my husband owns this.
Oh, it's hers. I mean, he's gonna say it's yours, so hey, it's both of y'all car.
One way or the other, it's hers.
One way or the other. Yo, beautiful car though. I'm not even gonna lie.
34 years, it's an 8-second motor. It's run high nines.
High nines?
And low nines, rather.
Low nines?
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Only quarter mile.
Awesome. I'm gonna take a next look. You guys, thank you very much. And
Thank you.
turbocharge. Yo, look at the engine, yo. Then I drive this. Yo. Tell them you must know. Got this look like a machine.
Mind the way.
No, you're good, you're good. You're perfectly fine. How you doing?
Good, you?
Fantastic. You guys enjoy the show, right?
Oh my gosh, are you kidding?
From Jamaica?
Yeah.
Love the accent.
I appreciate you, my man.
Yeah, need a push, let me know.
All right, stay blessed.
Tired.
Huh?
If you're getting tired, let me know, give you a push.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Exactly.
Yeah, you definitely could do that for real.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna keep that in mind. So if anything should happen, I'm gonna be right here. And you are?
Carol.
Carol?
Yeah.
Nice meeting you, Carol. I'm Darian.
Hi, Darian.
Yeah. Oh, this is your...
Have a YouTube
Okay.
channel or anything?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, just, you know, exploring the world. Wherever I go, I just make an experience.
That's nice. Thank
This is magnificent.
you. My husband built it.
Your husband built it, right? Oh my goodness.
From scratch.
I'm from scratch?
Oh, yeah.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. This is so dope.
Oh, many years ago. Right?
Many years ago, right?
70s, I think.
Get out of here. And it's still looking this spectacular.
It keeps,
I mean, you guys will probably have it for sure.
it keeps it up.
This is a trophy right here. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
You was around with the whole build from start.
No, I'm the second one.
Oh, you second? Okay.
Number 2.
Beautiful, beautiful. My goodness. You have it for a minute, right? Have it for a long, long time, right? 1970s? 78? These are and you keep it up. You keep it up really well. Oh my. Huh?
My son helps me.
Oh, your son helps you. Okay. I mean, keep the tradition alive, right? It wasn't your first car, though. Okay. Okay. No, you're good, you're good. Okay. Oh, she's taking a picture?
He was, but no, he wants me in it.
Okay. Okay. Let me just go around. Hello, my dear. Wonderful. You're looking great in that car. Yo, when people are getting care from, like, literally. Yo, they're so exotic. Yo, this is so cool. Yo.
Another one there.
You want to get a look at the inside, boss?
I don't mind. I would appreciate it. Oh my goodness. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful. I mean, Father, big up yourself, said we. Awesome. Awesome car.
Thank you, buddy.
I appreciate you, my man.
I'm
My man, cool. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Excellent. Awesome. This, don't know what this is.
What time are the Jets on today? Jets. Did you see that game?
Fantastic. This is a nice car you got right here.
Thank you.
Awesome. You guys don't drive this, right? It's only for show, right?
Nah, it's a drive. Well, it's not an everyday driver, but I drive it.
Here and there. I appreciate you, my boy. There's a lot of cars here, yo. I'm just try to go through and look at as much car as possible. Because if I just look at every one of them and look at the interior, sure I got done. So I just go on and just check every one of them. A wonderful show thus far. Just going around, enjoying the cars, and chatting up with some people, different set of people, as you can see, different race. But the show has been superb thus far. I think I highlight as much car as possible so I can get to see them. I make sure say, I catch everything, because I don't think I catch everything because over here is so big. But I think I did catch everything I'm going to catch. So I hope you all enjoyed it though. You can't get better than this. Come by a car show and by the beautiful water. Yo, this is so dope. So with all being said and done, right now, come take up myself and then we can go home and put this together so you can see it, isn't it? So just go and big up on yourself and stay tuned.